guys, this is Maithili and welcome to our channel Journey. This is our first video and today's theme is cooking. So let's start. So I have got the ingredients. This is all-purpose flour. This is baking soda, one pinch salt, 2 eggs, half cup melted butter, baking powder, orange food color. This is pineapple essence, milk, vanilla essence, and 1 cup sugar. So now we are going to start, and I will first take the butter, melted butter. So we have to just mix it a little so that it will be fine. No lumps should be there because then it will be problem. After that, we will add 1 cup sugar. Sugar is needed very much because it is the basic taste and it makes the cake sweet. So now I have mixed the sugar and the butter, and now we will add our 2 eggs. So I have mixed these 2 eggs, and now we are going to mix the essence, both essence. First I am mixing the vanilla essence and then pineapple essence. If you want, you can add one flavor only, but I am adding 2 because the combination is good. So now I have the batter here, and after essence I am going to add the color. Orange food color, that gives a nice and fine color. So now I have this batter, orange color. I like orange color. So now I am going to add one pinch salt. You don't have to add too much salt or it will not taste good, even if there is sugar in it. And mix it well so that the salt doesn't remain, or otherwise it will remain in one side and it will not taste good. Okay, so now I have this batter. I will keep aside for some time. I have the wheat and the baking powder, and I am going to add this. So now I have this batter here, and I have mixed the baking powder and all-purpose flour and the milk. So first we are going to add the this mixture a little bit. Now we are going to mix this. This is the best step because you will know the quantity of the cake batter by doing this. So I have added the all-purpose flour and the baking powder mixture. Now I am going to add some milk, a little bit only. You have to see that the batter is not too liquid or too solid, otherwise the batter will be not good. Okay, so now this again. So I am still doing this batter, and you can see that it is getting a mixture. So you have to do this continuously. So I have got this fine batter. See, you can look at it. And I am going to mix it for some time. Instead of this, you can also use an hand mixer. That would be easy. But It is good with both ways. So I am going to stop the mixing here because mixing it too much can make it a little bit liquidy. Now at the last we are going to add baking soda, and at the last if you add the baking soda, you have to mix it immediately. Otherwise the cake, it will damage the cake's texture. So I have the tray here and I have the molds. I have greased them already, and if you are keeping the molds in the tray, there is no need to put the foil paper. So let's put the batter in the molds. So I am going to pour the batter. You don't have to fill the mold because then the cake doesn't have space to grow. So I have filled the molds, and now I am going to preheat the oven. So the oven is preheated now, and I am going to keep the tray inside the oven. So come with me. And now we are going to wait till 15 minutes till the cake is baked. So I am going to just check once. Okay, it still has to be, but it's glowing and it's nice. So we will see after 5 minutes. So here it is done. Wow, amazing smell. We are going to take this outside. Here. Wow, these are looking amazing. So now I have the garnish dish and these. So I'm going to take this out. Wow, amazing texture. So now I have these cupcakes and they are looking amazing, and the smell is also so good. So I'm just going to garnish this with some honey. I love honey. And some dry fruits. So now I'm going to cut this, and this is going to be amazing. Okay. So this is an amazing sponge cake, and the texture is actually like sponge. See. So this was our first video, and I make the cupcakes. We will keep sending videos and you keep watching. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video. Bye. Meet you in the next video.